Hi everyone, this is KJV Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Beanie. Actually, ang tagal na talaga itong i-request sa akin, nagawan ko talaga ng reaction video ang kanilang performance individually doon sa LU. So I won't take any longer. Minention lang din naman sa akin to kahapon sa TikTok. I forgot the name, Ses ata, if I'm not mistaken. Ses, a shout out to you. So I won't take any longer. Panoorin natin to individually. Try natin na maubos natin ang video na to ng silang lahat. So, ibig sabihin for example, 8 sila, 4 sa isang video or 2 sa isang video, 2, ganon. Okay? So, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Eto siya.
Itry natin i-zoom, Ay, hindi siya maano. Wait lang, ayusin muna natin yung camera natin for today's video para at least perfect tayo. Okay, wag tayong pala decision. Charis! Hindi pala siya malakihan. Si Aya. So this is Aya.
Nanginig siya. Namarinig niya bakit siya.
I-forward natin. Ay,
Let's give it up for...
okay, Aya. Huling El Bimbo ang kakantahin niya. First time ko marinig siya kumanta ng Huling El Bimbo, ah. Okay. Ay! Bongga naman pala. Ay! Ay, live, ha? Okay. Okay. Grabe yung yan, oh. Low tone register. Grabe yung low tone register niya. Ganda. Grabe yung low tone niya. Grabe, ang hirap niya na. Kasi kailangan mo i-mention yung the clarity. The clarity. The clarity, dear. Ah, talaga ba? In fairness sa low notes niya dito. Okay. Oh, love that. Akala ko magsa-soft tone siya doon. Ganda niya. Parang siya talaga si Winnie the Pooh yung mata niya. Okay. To think na nag-perform na sila ng mga salamin-salamin ata dyan, di ba? And Pantropico. Ay, tapos na? Alright. In fairness dito ha, masyadong na-emphasize yung low notes ni Aya dito and I love it. Mas gusto ko ang isang singer who can execute the low notes rather than hitting the high notes because if you are, something like if you're singing and hinihit mo yung low notes, you have to deliver the words or the lyrics of the words. The words of the lyrics. The lyrics of the words clearly and Ayas nailed it. So next tayo, what's next? Ang next, uy! Rainbow! Mika! True ba? Oh my God! No wonder, bakit yung... Oh, oy, ang ganda! Oh, low notes. Oh! Oh, that's so sexy. Okay. Ganda ng pitch, ganda ng diction. Kala ko may vibrato, wala. Uy, ang ganda! No wonder! No wonder bakit kinukulit ako nito! Can't you see? Wow! Ascending! The texture of her voice, though. Hey! Ooh. Ay, wow! Wow! Oh! Oh, wow! Iyak ako, sorry. Ang ganda ng placement niya. Ang ganda ng placement niya. Tingnan natin to kung maninailed niya to. Ganda ng boses, putang ina. No, no. Oh, that's so sexy. Putang ina, sorry. Ay, ito. Grabe yung deep voice niya. Yung low tone register voice niya. Falsetto. Ay, hindi siya nag-falsetto. Mayabang si Mika, kaya niya. Ay, hindi talaga siya nagpa-falsetto. Mayabang si Mika, I love it. Oh, soft tone. Oh! Dang! Wow! I'm really sorry Sorry sa term ko, but this is so sexy as fuck. Seriously! Oh my God, that's gracious. Walang keme, walang arte. She is just singing Rainbow here. And yeah, I love it. Putulin ko muna ha. Move on tayo sa next video. This is Mikaya. So this is KJ Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!